Hello, my name is Artem. I'm a Salesforce developer at ENWAY. In this short video, I'll answer to the question from the Stack Exchange community. Today's question is why cannot repair and record error occurs in flow. Let's have a look. Based on the screenshot, topic starter tries to set isActive field in account contact relationship object into false. Our contact object will be automatically become as a private object. And before you do that, you have to delete all other account contact relationships. I'm already prepared some data, including flows, including contacts and account, to show you the error message. Click on the edit button. I have to trigger the flow. Save. And here we go. Cannot repair and record is occurred. So yeah, as I said before, you have to delete all other relationship in that contact. For example, I will remove this relationship. Remove. Click on the details. Let's try once again. And here we go, everything is okay. So how to resolve that issue in our flows? I strongly recommend you to use loops in flow, because via loop you can easily pre-select all bunch of relationship and remove all unnecessary relationship in one action. That is the main point why you have to use that tool. Well, that's it. Subscribe for more Q&A episodes. Write in the comments if you want us to answer your questions. Bye.